because it's much later in the day on Saturday, March 8th, 2025, it's approximately 5:39 p.m. and I am actually getting started a little later, like last night, on my workout. So today I'm basically planning to use my Eagle Weed Whacker to help clear this area. So stay tuned and I'll check in at the end of the evening, like we always do, what my steps are today. Hope you're having a really great Saturday, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you're up to for your steps this weekend. Okay, a hui ho for now.